Natasha.
Hi.
What book are you going to read today?
Big Bear, Small Bear.
Okay.
Big Bear, Small Bear. Small hat, big hat. Big hat, small hat. Too small, too big. Just right, just right. One big, one small. Small suit, big bear. Big suit, small bear. Too tight, too loose. Just right, just right. One big, one small. Big bear, small seat. Small bear, big seat. Too heavy, too loose.
Too light.
Too light. Just right, just right. One big, one small. Small bull, big bear. Big bull, small bear. Too little, too much.
Good job.
Big bull, big bear. Small bull, small bear. Just right, just right. The end. Goodbye, bye-bye.
Good job, Natasha.
Can I see it?